I get my act together.
Getting your act together montage.
You gotta get your act together.
Get your act together!
You need to get your act together.
Get my act together, I promise.
If Teddy doesn't get his act together,
Get my act together.
English Idiom Challenge. What does get one's act together mean? Correct answer is to start acting responsibly or efficiently. Get one's act together means to become organized, focused, or start behaving properly after a period of confusion, laziness, or inefficiency. Examples: if you want to pass the exam, you'd better get your act together. After missing several deadlines, the team finally got their act together and finished the project on time. Like and subscribe for more idioms.